Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your folder or file on your Windows 10 computer. Here is what you should do first, but let's say in your own case you already have a file that you want to hide, but in my own case I will go ahead and create a file or a folder in order to demonstrate this. I will go and right click on my desktop and go for new and then folder and give it a name, orange. This folder is an empty one. Let me open it and add a file into it, then close. So here is our folder. Let me go hide it. But please, before we continue with this video, I have a request. Please, below your screen on the right hand side, you will see this red subscribe button. Please help me. Click on that red subscribe button to support me. Subscribe to the channel and equally like the video. With that, I will feel motivated to keep on making videos. Thank you and God bless. So this is our folder. Go right click your folder and go for properties. Down here you will see properties. Click on that. Then under attributes, click on hidden and apply. Since I have a a file within that folder, I have to go for this second part and click OK. Then I will click OK. If it doesn't disappear, look at what you should do. If you are doing this for the first time, it will disappear. It will be hidden. But if you have done this multiple times, it might not disappear at the first, application of it. So what you have to do is to go to the Start button, then type File Explorer. Let me type File. Then you will see that File Explorer. Just open it. Here, go for File up here. Click on File, then click on Change Folder and Search Options. Then click on View. Here, under Advanced Settings, click on Don't Show Hidden Files, Folders or Drives. Apply. OK. It didn't disappear. Do it the second time. File, Change Folder, View, Don't Show Hidden Files, Apply, and OK. This time around it disappeared. As you can see, we don't have it any longer. So to bring it back to your desktop, what you have to do is to go back to that File Explorer, to the Start menu. You can use either the File Explorer file and go for File Explorer, or you can use this PC and click on this PC. Here, go for File, then go for Change Folder and Search Options, then go for View again, then here click on Show Hidden Files, Apply, and OK. If it doesn't come out the first time, do it the second time. File, Change Folders, View, Show Hidden, Apply, and OK. You can see we have it up here. So you can see we have it here, but the color is faint. So what you have to do to remove that is to right click on it again, go to Properties, then remove this hidden under Attributes, Apply, yes, OK, then we have it back. So to get it hidden again, repeat the same process what we just did, and that is it for this video. Thank you for watching, and if you have help me subscribe to support me and to motivate me for more videos. Thank you and God bless.